What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, where today we are going to discuss the best 5 body cameras according to their performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Best overall, MIUFLY S1. This 2K body camera can be used to record daily life and travel, as well as delivering exceptional security for sports, medical care, and other personnel. Its 140-degree wide-angle lens captures a wider angle of view than 120 or 90-degree action cameras. With its viewing angle, it can also capture a wider field of view. With its magnetic accessories, you can mount it anywhere and shoot hands-free. With the help of an external wireless microphone, you can get much video recording with clear audio. It comes with a powerful 2000 mAh battery that allows you to record footage for up to 7 hours. Further to that, it includes a set of alligator clips and a set of magnetic attachments, allowing you to securely mount it to any scene. Best resolution, Akaso EK7000 Pro. This action camera captures every moment in crisp detail and unparalleled clarity with Ultra HD 4K 30 frames per second video recording and 20 megapixel camera images. It has a 2-inch responsive touchscreen with an IPS display, which makes controlling this small but powerful action camera a breeze. You can set, preview, and shoot much more easily than before. Alternatively, you can also use its 2.4 GHz wireless wrist remote control to operate the camera while skiing, cycling, surfing, and other activities. It managed to deliver steady and smooth videos with the help of its built-in electronic image stabilization, ensuring an excellent experience when shooting fast-moving objects. What's more impressive here is that it includes an upgraded waterproof case that allows the camera to dive up to 40 meters to capture all the details of your adventures, making it ideal for water sports like swimming, surfing, diving, snorkeling, and more. It includes a USB dual charger and 2 batteries, each of which can record video for up to 90 minutes. Additionally, its accessories kit is also compatible with most cameras, including GoPro. Most compact, serene life. With this ultra-lightweight wearable camera, you can capture, store, and relive special moments. Actually, it's a 2-in-1 camera with a camcorder, allowing you to take high-res 12 megapixel images and record full HD 1080p video. It has a 1.8-inch LCD display for viewing and playing back real-time pictures and videos. In addition to that, it has a micro SD card slot for easy file sharing and file transfer, as well as an integrated microphone for audio recording, which comes with an attachment clip and a USB charging cable. Additionally, you can use its built-in Wi-Fi for wireless connectivity and control, where you can download the free app to snap photos and record video with your smartphone. Best for law enforcement, Rexing P1. This body-worn camera, outfitted with 6 infrared lights, can capture clear footage from up to 50 feet away in complete darkness. As an ultimate security device, this ensures your safety during your upcoming shifts as a security guard, police officer, or bouncer. It has a 2-inch high-quality LCD screen packed inside a slim, discreet, and lightweight body, making it ideal for law enforcement officers on the go. With a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, it can capture and record a broad view as well as detailed information about its surroundings. You can get full HD recording capabilities and sleep soundly at night thanks to high-intensity infrared LEDs that capture clear footage up to 50 feet away in complete darkness. Besides that, with a built-in 64GB storage capacity, there will be plenty of space to store all video captured during your upcoming working days. When the memory storage limit is reached, the body cam will automatically overwrite the oldest recordings and cycle new footage. Another notable feature is the password protection feature, where you can set a password for the camera to prevent all recorded files from being stolen or deleted. In order to meet the needs of law enforcement, all videos, pictures, and audio can only be deleted by connecting to the computer via USB cable. It also has a police panic mode, with a single button press that plays a loud audible siren sound and flashes light. Best value, Boblov HD66D7. This is primarily intended for use by law enforcement or security personnel. It has a very sturdy design, and as an AMBA body camera, as you know, it is imported from the US, making it more stable and easier to use. It has a 170-degree field of view, pre- and post-event recording, officer ID, and a date-time stamp embedded into the video. In addition to the LCD, it includes a speaker for playback and review. Its built-in infrared LED aids in capturing clear footage up to 10 meters away in complete darkness. If it is in a dark environment, the camera will automatically activate infrared night vision. You can set this function to manual or auto as needed. In terms of battery life, it has two rechargeable 1950 mAh batteries that will give you 8 hours of recording time at 1080p resolution. It also has a removable SD card, providing enough storage to save all of your video, picture, and audio recordings. Its waterproof level is up to IP67, making this body camera tough enough to withstand rough weather, including storms and snow, as well as there is also 2-meter high falling drop resistance as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.